Good morning, you guys. We are at the local park, and this angry bird is attacking your dog, and I'm laughing so hard. He doesn't even see it. He's up. Okay, that's enough, bird. You've had your fun. We're getting away from your nest or whatever you're angry about. We're sorry. We're leaving, okay? Never mind. Alright, we're leaving. I'm sorry, I don't mean to laugh this much, but this is hilarious. And he doesn't even notice. He's oblivious. Oh God, Koda, you're hilarious. I love ya. So we're at the park. Hey, okay. Enough. Thank you. We're going. Oh God, we are at the park. We are working on some long, you know what? This is too much. We're working on some long line stuff, and we're probably gonna have to do it someplace else. I don't think we're gonna be successful at doing a lot of work here. Koda, let's go. That's a boy. Good boy. Seriously, bird, you are just some nasty kind of work right now. It's too early in the morning for this. Leave him alone. Koda, come. Koda, come. I know you're smelling. Come on. There you go. Nope, Koda, come. That's my boy. Good job. Come on. Koda. Come. Good. Come on. Koda. Koda, come. Come on. That's my boy. Come here. No, Koda. Come. Hey. All right, come on, bub. I know you're distracted. That's my boy. Break. Let's go. Come on. Koda. That's my boy! Break! Good boy!